See my days are cold without you.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So today I have got a wedding themed video for you guys. I'm going to start doing more of these weddingy videos if it's me just talking or giving you ideas or inspiration. So if you're a bride to be like me, I'm getting married this year in June, which is really exciting. Actually cannot believe that I'm getting married this year. It's crazy, it's coming around so quickly. Anyway, so I thought, because from wedding planning I've learned that one key thing is that weddings are really expensive. So I thought, because you know, some people might not come from a wealthy family, some people might not have their parents here or anyone lending them money for the wedding, they may not have great paid jobs, you know, weddings are so expensive. So I thought I would offer a couple of ideas for you to save money, and one of them is to DIY your wedding hair. So I've got 3 looks for you guys today. I've gone to Asda and I've purchased a couple of cute flowers. I've got some gypsophilia, some orangey kind of roses and pink flowers and leaves. So I really hope I will inspire you today with this video to save a bit of money. You can do your wedding hair yourself. You don't need to pay someone to do it. I've also seen that price wise, you know, it can cost anywhere between a couple of $100 to $2 grand. I got quoted a couple of grand for wedding hair and it's expensive. Obviously, if you can afford it, great, go for it. I mean, I know I am getting someone to do my wedding hair just because I want to, and I thought it would just be nice for someone to do my hair on the day. However, if you cannot afford it, then honestly, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I've got 3 amazing ideas for you. So before I actually start, I am going to be curling my hair to prep for all of these 3 tutorials. I find curling the hair just creates a bit of volume. Also with wedding hair, it's nice to have a few waves on the day. So yes, I'm gonna just get to it, curl my hair, and then we'll get into the 3 styles.
See my days are cold without you. See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
So that's it. They were the 3 DIY bridal wedding hair tutorials. What did you guys think? I would love to know which one your favourite was. I'm so pleased with how they turned out, and all I used was just fresh flowers, again from Asda, or you can get it from a local supermarket or a flower stall. Yeah, they were super easy to pop in my hair. If you leave a bit of stem on, you can just poke it in and it kind of just does hold, as long as you're sort of poking it in downwards. Yeah, they're fab tutorials for the bride, for the bridesmaid, for a flower girl. Super easy to do yourself. As you can see, I did it to myself and all I had was a mirror. But even if you got like your friend or your mum or someone to help you out, just to double check that you can't see the pins and the hair grips and stuff. But yeah, really hope you liked the tutorial. If you want any more bridal hair tutorials, please comment below. Also, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. You just have to click the button here. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.